Welcome back to Saril's Kitchen. Biryani is one of the most royal and amazing delicacy that is prepared on occasions. Biryani is prepared in different ways. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare pot biryanis. Let's see how to prepare it. But before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And also click the bell icon to get the notification. To prepare this delicious pot biryani, we need chicken pieces. I have taken medium-sized chicken pieces. You can take even large pieces. We need good quality long grain rice or basmati rice. Clean and soak it for at least 20 minutes. These are the fried onions or what we call as birista. Apart from this, we need onions, tomatoes, oil, ghee, coriander leaves, mint leaves, yogurt, juice of lemon, saffron soaked in milk, powders like turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander, garam masala and cardamom powder, ginger garlic paste, raisins, cashews, cloves, cinnamon, bay leaves and salt to taste. Let's see how to prepare it. Marinate the chicken with juice of lemon, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, salt as per taste, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mint leaves, 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves and 3 tablespoons of fried onions or birista. Finally, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now mix it well and keep it for at least half an hour or 2 hours. When we say pot biryani, definitely clay pots plays an important role here. We need heavy bottom clay pots. It may vary in size and shape. Cooking in such pots preserves the natural taste of food. It has enough space and got a lid too. These pots are much easier to clean and it cooks fast. Now let's cook the rice. Here I have taken a large vessel with hot water. To this, add cloves, cinnamon, bay leaves and salt. Add soaked rice and cook it up to 75%. You need not cook it completely. Whole spices enhance the flavor of rice. The rice is done and with the help of a colander, drain the rice. Take oil in a kadai and add ghee to this. You can cook only in ghee too. Add chopped onions and saute it until transparent. Add tomatoes and continue frying for 1 to 2 minutes. Add marinated chicken and mix well. Fry the chicken at least for 2 to 3 minutes so that the chicken gets completely mixed with onions and tomatoes. It's enough if the chicken gets cooked up to 90%. If it's too dry, then add little water to this. Add remaining mint leaves and also coriander leaves, and once again mix it well. Both rice and chicken are ready. Now it's time to assemble it. Here I have taken a clay pot. Pour 1 tablespoon of ghee and spread the chicken pieces over it. Make sure there is enough water content in it. Spread rice over it. Add saffron milk. Spread the fried onions. Fried raisins and cashews. Fried cinnamon and cloves. And once again pour 1 tablespoon of ghee over it. Cover it or wrap with the help of a foil. If not foil, you can take the dough of maida or wheat. Place the lid over it and cook. Here I'll show you one more method, that is layered biryani. Pour 1 tablespoon of ghee and spread chicken pieces. Spread the rice and repeat the same process I have showed you earlier. There goes in cinnamon, cloves, raisins, cashews, saffron milk, fried onions. Sprinkle few coriander leaves. And finally, ghee. Since this pot is quite big and has got enough space, you can give it one more layer. Spread the chicken pieces and follow the same process. I just love this pot biryani and I'm sure almost everybody else does too. Second layer is also ready now. Wrap it with foil and place the lid and cook in low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. The biryani is ready. If the foil is raised a bit, it means that the biryani is completely cooked. It's too hot and I'm really very eager to unwrap it. Believe me, this delectable biryani is amazing and the aroma in my kitchen is just wow. Here we go with aromatic, delicious and yummy pot biryani. Thank you very much for watching my video and supporting me. If you like my videos, then don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.